My next little project, I'm going to attempt to make some wooden handles for my old Victoria Knox Swiss Army penknife. So I've cut some wood, tapered it, make it comfortable, and drilled some holes, and now I'm going to bond it to the actual knife body itself. We'll see how we get on with this one. Well, I'll leave all that clamped together for a bit. Well, probably a week. And see if I can trim it back successfully. Well, it's starting to take shape. Just needs a bit more sanding and shaping. It looks quite good so far. Well, that's coming along nicely now. Shape's all there. Taking all the rough surface off, one side. Made up with that. Well, that's all done. I'm made up with that. Mum and Dad bought me this Swiss Army penknife when I was about 13, 14 years old. I've carried it around in work and stuff like that for years at the stables. I was devastated when red plastic handles came off. Looks much better. Usable again.